Day 25. Hi!
Mine purple yogurt.
You magician, are you? Yummy, yummy. Andrew's baking brownies. Oh my god, so excited! She's waiting for my video. I already put it up, see? Now she switched to the big TV. Subscriptions.
Yay!
Thanks for coffee. Starbucks. Let's try. Okay, this is okay for me. Hi there. You can just leave it there. Here, on this thing. Thank you so much. Thanks. You too. Fried chicken. Oh my god, this girl so cholo. Look at her. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Chicken. Okay. And we've got this. And we've got this. Whoa, half chicken. Okay, let's unwrap it. Wow, they give us gloves. Let's eat with our hands. Yeah, we're gonna unwrap this. Kimchi pandan. Yay! Kimchi? Kimchi! Alrighty. Lunch. Chicken. Pancake. Okay. Come on, you can do it. Let's go! How's it? Okay, she can take it.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Spicy? Oh my gosh. I caught that on camera.
I got cool.
Look at her leg. It's also up. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. Yummy, yummy. Wowzers. Who's this big box of brownies for? Terima kasih. Can we close the thing? Bye. Alright.
Bye.
Look at the sky, so beautiful. Love you. See you. Never. Delivering 2 boxes to Michelle. Waiting now. Here are the shampoos. Sharing. My best friend. Where is she? Hello. Delivering to this boy. Where is this boy? Yes. Oh shit. Wait. Hey. Hi. How are you, darling? Where's the other fella? Hi. Hello. Yeah, birthday present is here. Shamalida. So here.
Figure it out, babe. What are you doing? Tell us.
I'm unwrapping my birthday gift. What is it? I already know what it is. Ta-da-da. Ta-da-da.
For nice.
Show you tomorrow. Ding ding. Ding ding ding. Hello, dinner. Very long skinny legs. Hi. Hello.
Yummy.
Meow me. Meow me. What you got there?
When you pat.
Imagine landing on her.
Wow, it's a landing pad sticker. So they gonna come back using, I don't know. Scan the QR code and search for Roborock. Let's do the unboxing first. Wow, check it out. They have their own custom filter.
What's inside?
Charging cable.
You didn't come Kipo today? Fatty? Fatty, Fatty. Hello? Ayo. So relax, are you? Relaxing. What's this, JB Cup?